Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss rewarding sales and customer service staff. These sales and customer service staff are the person who are always in contact with customer directly and they are face of organization. So rewarding them is something which is very crucial and very important as well. Sales and customer service staff makes a strong and immediate impact on the business result because they are doing something directly which is directly visible. The reward system for sales and customer service staff has also taken into the account of fact that they are the people who are who are always in direct contact of customers. Rewarding sales representative, it is usually easy because we can give them specific targets and we can ask them to produce targets and we can measure them easily, that whatever targets we have given we can evaluate them. If they have exceed those, we can reward them more. If they have not able to complete their target, we can reward them accordingly. So the measurement of uh, a rewarding sales representative is something which is more quantifiable, which is more easy. There are different methods by which we can reward the sales staff. First can be salary only. There are fixed salaries. We have a fixed salary for sales representatives or sales staff. We are not giving them additional bonus. We are not giving them additional variable pay. Their salary remain fixed. Whether they have produced sales or not, their salary remain fixed. This is something which is really demotivating. So generally organization are not preferring only salary component for their sales staff. Basic salary plus commission is something which is basically a combination of fixed and variable pay. Basic salary is always fixed, which they are going to get no matter they have earned, yeah, they have done sales or not. The commission or the additional variable pay, which they are only getting as the kind of percentage of value they have produces in the form of quantable terms of sales. The proportion of commission generally varies as they have generated the percentage of values of their calculated sales. Basic salary plus bonus, it is again the combination of fixed and variable pay. Basic salary, no matter they are doing sales or not, but they are going to earn that. Bonus scheme is something which has been calculated based on the sales volume or profit or the contribution towards organization for generating revenues related to sales. The ways in which can be calculated, it can be calculated every year, it can be calculated every month as well. There is a restricted formula for calculating bonus, and similarly there is a restricted way by which you can provide them bonus. Different level of person having different basic pay, and their variable pay in the form of bonus can also be different based on their performance and their input towards generating sales as a revenue. Commission only, that means they are not getting any fixed salary, they are not getting any something which is fixed, they are only getting variable pay, which is all based on the kind of terms or the kind of sales they have produced. So they are only get the percentage of the percentage of the sales which they have done. It is, we can say that, hard selling. No basic salary can be paid. Additional non-cash reward can also be given. These additional non-cash reward can be given along with the salary, along with a variable pay, like along with a bonus or incentives. These additional non-cash rewards can be, we can give them award as a sales representative of the month. We can give them career guidance or the career pathways by which they can enter into other other family structure as well. We can provide them recognition schemes. We can recognize them acknowledging their efforts. We can give them gift voucher. We can give them cars as a perk. Whenever we are talking about salesperson, it is something which is restricted to their sales. But other than salesperson, there is another category which are always in direct contact with customers, are the customer service staff. Customer service staff are the service staff which are providing services to the customer directly. They are also always in alignment with customers. So they are in direct contact with customers. We can give them salary. We can give them skill related pay, which we can give them spot pay as well. Spot pay is something which is either very restricted payment, or either over the bar payment. It can be both the ways. So spot pay can be also given to customer service staff based on the kind of services or the exceptional services they are providing to customers, or based on the feedback received by the customers. Other than that, we can give them skill payment. Skill payment is something which is related to their competencies or the skills of pleasing customers of or providing services to customer. We can give them pay based on the skills or the competency they possess. We can give them contribution related to pay, like we have to measure their contribution as the outcome for organization success. Other than that, we can give them commission based on the targets. We can give them profit sharing if they are contributing really well. Other than that, individual performance related pay can be given based on their exceptional services they are providing to the customers, or based on the exceptional feedback they are getting through the customers. Thank you.